Hello. I'm Granite State. No? Alright. I thought the black guy thing was pretty good. I don't know what that dark spot is. It's under the glass. Whatever. Anyway. So I just managed to sit through a Earl video. And, you know, Earl loves boats, and I wish him luck in his boating career, provided he gets past the whole criminal trial thing first. But yeah, stick with what you love, buddy. There are some things that I want to just pontificate on, if you'll pardon me while I do it. Thing number one is Earl's claiming credit for the post office audit. That hasn't worked out so well. He's now moving on from the post office audit. What we've accomplished with the post office audit is a bunch of auditors have been arrested and have pled out to minor crimes. And that regulation, that 39 CFR 102 something, that's still in place. So congratulations, Earl, on making a change. But it's time for Earl to move on. And Earl wants to do Fourth Amendment audits on the water. And the Fourth Amendment applies on the water. It does apply on the water. However, the various laws allowing the Coast Guard or other enforcement agencies, tax enforcement agencies, customs enforcement agencies, etc., have been on the books since 1790. The guys who wrote the Constitution are the guys who wrote those laws. So if anybody knew what the Fourth Amendment was going to be about, it was them. It has been heavily litigated there. But anyway, my point is that the Fourth Amendment does apply. It's U.S. v. Villanueva Marquez, I want to say. Something along those lines. And the court held that it's just reasonable for the officials to board the boat. It's just reasonable. That's reasonable for them to do. It's reasonable for them to board and search it. And they have several reasons for it. It's the way the markings are. It's how ships and boats are regulated compared to how cars are regulated. Especially if there's access to the open sea, the open ocean. You can't just drive from some opium-rich country to the U.S. You've got to smuggle it in on a ship or a plane or something. You can't just drive. That's my point. So there's a lot of different factors with regards to ships and boats that make it reasonable for officials to simply board and inspect. It's reasonable. And the reason why I keep saying it's reasonable is because that's the language the Supreme Court used. And you have to remember that the Fourth Amendment protects you from unreasonable searches and seizures. So it is well settled law. I don't know what Earl thinks he's going to accomplish, but if it's anything like what he accomplished with the post office, I'm going to say not much. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.